Everybody, midday update. You can see S&P 500 just cooling down a bit. These are the lines. It came into the sell zone from last couple of days. You can see it was near the red lines. Red lines are the sell zone, and today slightly going near neutral zone, which is very good. It's very healthy for the market. It cannot sustain in these three sell zones. My target are still, if I go to S&P 500 SPY. You can see this is the cash index now. Third standard deviation is reaching there, so around 456.18. So from where we are now, SPY is almost flat. I do expect around 1%, 1.1% pump eventually maybe by Friday. Let's see. Triple Qs, the target is 382 gap fill, and as of now, I'm expecting another, like, let's see, around 1.3% pump by Friday. Let's see if we get that. And again, Nasdaq 100 is also now cutting a little bit lower from the sell zone. You can see these bands expand, and now it's getting closer to between sell zone and neutral zone. So if it comes down to neutral zone around 15,433, look to buy again. Dow Jones getting lower, so it's getting closer to the buy zone, so that's very good. So as soon as Dow Jones comes in the green line between 34,774, look to buy. And if Dow Jones bounce, that's going to be healthy for all the sectors. Russell 2000 coming to the neutral zone as well. 1902 is the neutral zone. Triple Qs is a cash market and still near the sell zone, and you can see here still consolidating. And gold a little bit, so you can see it was in the sell zone, came to second standard deviation, it cannot hold it there. Very rarely any stocks can hold above third standard deviation, so it's selling off now and came to neutral zone. If it comes below 1934, look to buy. Silver, same thing. If it comes below $24, look to buy. Natural gas, massive pump. Now in the sell zone, you should be looking to take profits. If it drops below 2.7, look to buy. Dollar is in the sell zone, which is very good news. So today dollar jumped from buy zone to sell zone. That's why gold is down, but the good news is in the sell zone. So I'm expecting maybe by the end of the day or tomorrow dollar will weaken and come back to buy zone, and that's going to push S&P 500 and Nasdaq to fill those gaps. Bitcoin, same thing, because of strength in dollar, selling off now, but it's in the buy zone. You can see it's closer to third standard deviation. This is where you want to buy around 26,841 and 26,668. So right now, as a time of recording, it's in the buy zone. Ethereum also in the buy zone near second standard deviation, 1680. This is where you want to buy Ethereum and Bitcoin. Tech stocks are still pumping. Apple is still in the sell zone. Tesla is in near sell zone. Microsoft is near neutral zone, which is good. So we have more room to go up then. Netflix is also now coming back to the neutral zone. AMD getting down from the neutral zone. So if it goes below 103.3, look to buy. Let's look at commodities. Copper near neutral zone. Palladium is coming near buy zone, 1203 and below, look to buy. Wheat, massive bounce from the buy zone. Last couple of days it was in buy zone, massive bounce, and now coming closer to the neutral zone. Corn, short term, coming closer to the buy zone, 4.8 and below, look to buy. Soybeans, also coming to the buy zone, 1426 and below, look to buy. And sugar is probably also in the neutral zone. And let's look at gold and gold miners. Newmont Mine in the neutral zone. Gold miners, I was telling everybody look to take profits. It was in sell zone. Now it's getting consolidating, coming to neutral zone. If it falls below 28.68, look to buy. Let's look at all the sectors. XLK cooling down a bit. Let's see XLV in the neutral zone. Utilities bouncing, still in the neutral zone. XLI in the sell zone. Real estate sector in the sell zone. XLF also above neutral zone. KRE, regional bank ETF, in near neutral zone as well. All right, so let's see if any stocks which sold. PayPal is near neutral zone. Let's see if there are any heavy sellers. UPS is also neutral zone. Disney is also neutral zone. I don't see any massive selling. Boeing, just the buy zone. So Boeing looking good. 223 is the buy target. And let's see, Starbucks, nothing here. Neutral zone. Thales, Bell, also in the sell zones. Let's see, UNH, healthcare provider. UNH just the buy zone. Very good time to buy, I think. It's in the buy zone. Biggest healthcare provider. Look at CVS, also in the buy zone. Pfizer is also buy zone. There's a gap around 35.54. It can fill. Let's look at China. Alibaba, neutral zone, MCHI, neutral zone, Baidu, also all of these are in the neutral zone. And look at Canadian banks, CIBC, provided earnings, not good, and now in the buy zone. National Bank had bad earnings yesterday, still in the below Thursday deviation, very good time to buy National Bank. TD, neutral zone, Royal Bank, in the neutral zone, BNS in the neutral zone, BMO is in the sell zone. Okay, let's see American banks, JP Morgan coming closer to buy zone, Citigroup neutral zone, Goldman Sachs neutral zone, Bank of America in the neutral zone, CP Railways in the neutral zone, CNI is also in the neutral zone. Let's see if there's anything else interesting. Enbridge in the neutral zone. FTS is coming close to the buy zone. Let's look at growth stocks. NEO is near neutral zone, near buy zone, 10.28 and below, look to buy. Lucid, neutral zone. Nikola, near buy zone, 1.18 and below. Riot, in the neutral zone. Square, in the neutral zone. TTD, sell zone. SE, and in the neutral zone. Palantir, 9% dump. Not sure what happened, but it's in the buy zone now. All right, guys. Again, look at the latest levels. S&P 500 neutral zone 4509. If it comes here, look for another bounce. So things are looking good. Okay, bye.